Hi, my name is Angelo. I'm from Italy, although I live in London. I'm 42 years old.
How did you hear about Dentafly?
So I have a colleague and friend. We've been friends for more than 10 years, and 2 years ago he came here to do a dental treatment. After seeing his results, I decided to do it myself. I didn't have bad teething, but I had composite bonding because I had gaps. So I knew it was a temporary solution for me. Also, I didn't like the color of my teeth, and so I wanted to do something to improve my smile.
What treatment did you have at Dentafly?
So I had 2 implants because I had 2 missing teeth. I shaved my existing teeth and I put crowns.
What was life like before your treatment at Dentafly?
Bad teeth. I mean, my life was okay, although I was not feeling very confident when smiling. I noticed that in my pictures, I tended to keep my mouth closed, my lips closed. Now I keep smiling. But I got my confidence back.
Did you have any concerns or fears before starting?
No, actually, no. The thing is, probably I decided to come on my own. So that was my only concern because I was scared and maybe worried if I'm not feeling well after the treatment and everything. But after all, it wasn't bad at all.
Is there anything you think we could improve?
As I said, I just filled the survey. Everything was on point. From my supervisor, the desk team, the doctors and everything. I think the clinic looks so good, and being in Antalya is nice, especially during this time. So everything was perfect, honestly.
Have you heard anything about our London clinic?
Yes, that's where I had my first consultation. So in May, I was speaking to my friend who came here 3 years ago, and then he told me, oh, they opened a clinic in London. And so I went there, I booked my appointment, I went for the consultation, and that's how I decided to do the treatment.
Would you recommend Dentafly to your friends or family?
To everyone, first of all, take care of your teeth. Yeah, that's very important. But yes, if you have any issues with your smile and everything, dental health, I absolutely recommend Dentafly.